Today, we are going to learn how to make money from home as a teenager. Let's get started. First thing first, you're going to go to the Google and search for Google Trends. Once you're here, you will see the country selected on the top right, whichever country you're in. My country is United Kingdom, that's why it's showing that. Once you're there, what you need to do is you need to click on Trending Now. I'm going to tell you why we have chosen this option later without choosing the Explore and Home button. Okay. Once you're in the Trending Now section, you need to select a category which you are interested in. Because if you're interested in that category, you're not just learning about the latest trends in that category, but also getting more informed and passionate about it. So for me, I think I'm gonna select business and finance, but you can select anything. So for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna just select all categories so you can filter it out as per your requirement. Then the most important filter here is by relevance. Now here you have to select search volume. The reason you have to select search volume is because it tells you which particular trend is on the highest search volume on Google. So let's, for this sake of this video, we will do the last 24 hours. Okay. Once you're done with all the filtering and everything, what you need to do is you need to click on the search term you're interested in. For example, there is Cardiff City versus Chelsea. This is the football one. And then there is Australia versus England. And as you can see, when you click on them, you see the graphs going up and then coming down here like that, right? We want something which is going a little bit up or, you know, consistently maintaining the search volume here. So let's keep searching for it. Here Steve Evans, this is in last 23 hours. It is literally searching, but it's going way up, so that's a really good keyword for us. If we look at Paul Dolly Liverpool, that's going down. This one Jill Gerard is going pretty up, and it's been going up since last 24 hours. So I'm gonna choose this. And then once you are on this sidebar here, you can see the top ranking articles here for this particular term. And it is right now 5K, which is way less than 200K. But remember, when we clicked on it, it was going down. But this one, it's going up and up, right? So let's click on it. When I click on it, it opens the article here in the Hollywood Reporter section. And then you can see that this article is blocked. So I'm gonna get rid of it, and then I'm gonna go to the next one and say, okay, this is on the Variety. It is also blocked with the paywall. And then I keep searching for the articles where I can find something which is open to read for everyone, and you know, it is available here. So as you can see, this article looks like it's open to read for everyone. And it has its highlights. Once you have this article with you, what you need to do is you need to copy the URL, and then you have to go to ChatGPT. Now I've created a prompt which converts the whole article into a viral voiceover script, right? A lot of people will tell you that you just have to copy the article URL and then ask ChatGPT to convert it into a new article, but that's wrong. Because what we are trying to do here is to converting the reading information into the hear information which user can hear, right? And that needs specific instructions. So I'm going to copy this prompt into the description of the video, or I'll put a link there so that you can download it for free. It's very simple. It basically goes through the URL of the article, and then it creates the hook so that, you know, the person or the user who is listening to this particular video or audio can, you know, stay longer. And then it builds up with the context, core, and shift, payoff, etc., etc. But at the end of the prompt, you just need to put the article here and then give it a go. What ChatGPT will do is it will basically go through that particular article and then write it down for you so that you can actually create a voiceover. Now you must be thinking, well, I could have created the voiceover myself, which is fine, and but why do I need to sort of like rewrite it? The reason you have to rewrite it is because it creates the viral elements of the voiceover. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this article from here, and then I'm going to go to Google again, and then I'm going to search for ClickChamp. Now, there are many video editors available online. You can use a lot of text to speech services. For example, you can use 11 Labs. 11 Labs actually gives you a very good text to voice conversion, but the pricing of 11 Labs is it's quite steep. You have 10K credits, which is equivalent to around, I think so, 6 to 7 minutes of voiceover, either more. But then after that, you have to pay for it. There are other text to speech models available, for example, Amazon and Speechify or other things. So you can choose it as per your requirement. I would strongly suggest to go for ClickChamp. It is an editor which is created by Microsoft, so big company. When you click on it, you will land on this page where you can see the editor. It's all web based, so you don't have to worry about it. Click on create video and it will log you in. I was already logged in, so it will take me here. Once you're logged in here, what you do is you need to click on create a new video here, which will take you to this new interface where you can click on record and create button on the left, and then there is text to speech here. Once you are here, you copy paste the voiceover we created with the ChatGPT here, and then you can select the voice you want it to be converted to. You can hear it by clicking on here.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
Yeah, and then you just say preview. What the preview does is it actually creates the file for you to listen to it.
Did you know the face of
There
one
you
of
go.
science fiction's earliest TV heroes was just frozen in time, only to be
Yeah.
gone in days?
So that's good. So then you click save. Then what you could do is you could actually go to the article back again here, right? And potentially just record the screen or just get some images for it. So for example, we had these multiple articles here, right? We clicked on all these articles have these images, right? So you can either take a screenshot of these images, or you can actually copy it if you want to and then put it there. This image, save it, and then open it again, and then I'm gonna add this here just for the sake of the video. Okay, there you go, let's add it here. Now there is another things which you could do here, which is you can actually generate some captions and add it on top of it, so that while the voiceover is going, it shows things like what the voiceover is reading. So let me click that, transcribe media, and then it's going to transcribe it for you. Okay, so now we have the captions ready, so we can click on it and then we can select how do we want it to be showcased. So let me select red one, or black, looks good to me, and then I'm gonna just move it a little bit up and then see how it looks like.
One of science fiction's earliest TV heroes was just frozen in time, only to be gone in days once cancer struck. Gil Gerard, best known as...
There you go. So the captions are basically there. Now what we are going to do is we are going to export it, and then it will export the whole video for us in a very simple manner. And then what we'll be doing is there you go, it's exported 7.1 MB, and I think if I
Did you know the face
look,
of one of
there you
science
go,
fiction's early...
perfect. So it's exported. Now what you have to do is you have to go on YouTube and create a YouTube channel and then upload these videos. obviously remember when we went to the keyword here on the Google Trends, we have actually selected these articles to get this video article converted into audio. But I would suggest that if you click on the first article, select this particular title for your video to upload on YouTube, so that it has better visibility on YouTube. Okay, great. So this is done. Now what it does, it creates multiple trending opportunities for you on YouTube to showcase this particular piece of content, and that will not just bring you more views but bring you more subscriber on your channel. This is more about like a news channel you're creating for entertainment or for some kind of news in tech or business, things like that, and then you grow up. And then once you reach to 4,000 hours of views or a particular 1,000 number of subscriber, you can monetize with YouTube. But what if I have a solution for you to, without having these subscriber watch time, to monetize your whatever number of followers you have? Well, for that particular aspect, I have created a calculator for you. What you have to do is you have to go on my website. I'll put it in the description section. Click on calculate your earning. Whatever number of followers you have on different platform, for example LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, whatever, you just select that, put your name, put your YouTube channel URL, and then continue. Then tell me how many followers you have. Let's say you have 800 followers. Okay, and then let's say your industry is finance, and let's say your per post engagement is 100. And last but not least, I'm gonna put my email here. And what it does, it basically generates a report for you based on your channel and tells you how much potential income you could make out of your YouTube channel. So here you go. It tells you that this is the amount of revenue you can generate, and then it tells you how it generates it, and it tells you every month revenue projection. It tells you conversion funnel. It tells you about the detailed metric about it. So everything. Now the strategy behind it is what I have explained in my other videos. So make sure you watch that video and understand how this whole strategy works. You can also download the report here, or you want to book a strategy call with me, feel free to do it here. For next time, peace out.